Use a flat screwdriver to open the case. There's a small indentation on the side. You need to be careful that you do not hit yourself with that screwdriver. And as you move the screwdriver around, you'll see the case start to open. You can move the top part of the case. Then remove the circuit board. On the back you'll see the battery. And you use a flat screwdriver to slide that battery out and install a new one. The positive side of the battery needs to be facing you. Then place the circuit board on the key fob and make sure it's seated properly. Then place the top part of it and press it until you hear it click. Make sure it has snapped in place all the way around.